संजय, शुक्रिया हमारे संग जुड़ने के लिए। कुछ और इस वक्त बड़ी खबर आ रही है। कांग्रेस सीनियर लीडर प्रमोद तिवारी has taken a jibe at Union Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. He said he is railway minister or derail minister. He has also said that no number of accidents that have happened in his tenure has never happened before. Congress party demands his resignation.
क्या खबर फर्जी फैलाई गई थी? सीधे सीधे एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है रेल मंत्रालय, रेल के अधिकारी, कि जब ये इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे थी संभवतः 14 पे या 16 पे, तो दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म की सूचना जो रेलवे का प्रसारण सिस्टम है उससे आई कि प्रयागराज जाने के लिए एक ट्रेन और लग गई है। तो जब उसका अनाउंसमेंट रेलवे से हो रहा है तो फर्जी खबर कहां से हो रही है? और वो ट्रेन लगी भी। तो सिर्फ समस्या एक है कि आपको मालूम होना चाहिए था कि दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म पे भी लगी है, स्पेशल है, जिसमें बगैर रिजर्वेशन के भी लोग जा सकते हैं, तो भगदड़ मचेगी। वो एंटीसिपेट नहीं कर पाया और आपने एक दूसरे पे गिराते हुए, चढ़ते हुए, मरते हुए लोग निकल गए। नतीजा हुआ सरकारी रूप से 18 यात्रियों की मौत हुई।
Brian Thomas is joining us for more on this story. Brian, Pramod Tiwari hitting out at the Union Railways Minister.
Clearly, what happened day before yesterday could not be forgotten. Even though, yes, high-level meeting was, taken place, high-level committee has also been taken, the CRPF has also been deployed, but definitely, there was a scathing attack from, all the opposition parties. We talk about Congress, we talk about Aam Aadmi Party, and following this very stampede incident also that happened at the New Delhi railway station. Now, Congress MP Pramod Tiwari also launched this scathing attack on Ashwini Vaishnav, questioning his leadership and handling of railway safety. He says that he questioned that if he is the railway minister or the derail minister, and he also alleged that the number of railway accidents under Ashwini Vaishnav's tenure is unprecedented, and he also he has also drawn a comparison to former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri, who resigned as railway minister on moral grounds following an train accident, and stated on the basis of morality the Congress party is demanding the resignation of railway minister. And even the Congress leaders' comment also are coming amidst this growing concerns over railway safety and management in the country as well. That was happening. Even Aam Aadmi Party also, leaders were also, taking their platform X also to hit out at, the central government of what exactly happened.
All right, Brian Thomas.